Hey, it's Susanna. I'm here in the kitchen today and I'm going to show you a really delicious recipe. It's a mango lentil salad. And this salad can be served as a main dish or as a side course. So let's get started. Let's take a look at our ingredient list. You'll need dried brown lentils, a mango or apple, a red bell pepper, a lemon, canola or olive oil, cumin, salt, black pepper, and optionally you can add some parsley or cilantro and some walnuts or toasted coconut. Here I have all my ingredients. You can see that I'm using frozen mango in place of fresh, so I just put that out on the counter to defrost before I'm preparing the salad. I have my red bell pepper and lemon. I'm going to substitute the canola oil with olive oil because that's what I have in my pantry. And then I have my lentils, my salt, pepper, and cumin, and then my parsley and coconut for the garnish. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of dried lentils to a medium saucepan. Add enough water to your pan to cover the lentils by about 2 inches. We're going to bring these to a boil and then lower the heat and let them simmer for 20 minutes. While your lentils are cooking, begin preparing your red bell pepper. Slice it and remove all the seeds. Once you've removed the seeds, dice your bell pepper into 1/4 inch size pieces. You will also want to chop your cilantro or parsley. Next, we're going to start preparing the dressing. Juice your lemon and keep the seeds separate from the juice. In a bowl, combine your olive or canola oil, your lemon juice, and your cumin, salt, and pepper. Stir with a fork to combine. It's time to mix everything together. Add your lentils, peppers, mango or apple, and dressing to a bowl. If you are using parsley or cilantro, add that as well. And if you're using nuts or coconut, add that. Now it's time to stir everything together. And there you have it, a delicious lentil mango salad. Try eating this for lunch, or try it as a side dish with your dinner. This mango lentil salad recipe is budget-friendly, great for your health, and delicious. And it keeps in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, so I'll be enjoying it all week. I hope you enjoy.